Norway, a land of majestic fjords, enchanting northern lights, and picturesque landscapes that will leave you in awe. Discover the beauty of its charming cities, explore the breathtaking mountains and glaciers, and immerse yourself in the rich Viking history and culture. Get ready for an unforgettable journey through Norway's stunning natural wonders. Norway's natural beauty is truly awe-inspiring. From the majestic fjords that carve their way through the rugged mountains to the cascading waterfalls that tumble down into crystal-clear lakes, every corner of this country is a testament to Mother Nature's artistry. The pristine forests, dramatic cliffs, and serene valleys create a landscape that is nothing short of breathtaking. And let's not forget about the mesmerizing northern lights, dancing across the night sky, painting it with vibrant hues. Norway's natural beauty is a feast for the senses and a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts. Prepare to be enchanted by this land of wonder. Norway's fountain is a delightful centerpiece that adds charm and elegance to its surroundings. With its graceful design and the soothing sound of water cascading down, the fountain creates a serene and tranquil atmosphere. Whether it's nestled in a picturesque park, a bustling city square, or a quaint village, the fountain serves as a gathering point where people can relax, reflect, and appreciate the beauty of their surroundings. It's a perfect spot to take a moment to unwind, enjoy the scenery, and immerse yourself in the peaceful ambience that Norway has to offer. The aurora, or northern lights, is a mesmerizing natural light display in the night sky that leaves viewers in awe with its vibrant colors and celestial beauty. It's a magical phenomenon that reminds us of the wonder and mystery of the world around us. Milky Way sparkles. Thank you for watching this incredible journey in Norway. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with your fellow travel enthusiasts. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more amazing travel content. Mention in the comments which destination you'd love to explore next. Stay tuned for more adventures, and let's keep exploring the world together.